I just wanted to do a quick update on Glenn's hearings from last week. I have tried contacting the prosecutor for the city of Everett just to ask about our concerns, and I have not heard anything back. I've called twice and left messages. I did order the documents from the city to see the dismissal, but I have not received anything from the city of Everett yet. I called today and they said I'm just going to have to be patient. But I did want to update you on the case out of Bellevue. And here is Wombat with that update. Wombat.
Folks, this is Combat Wombat. I'm at King County District Court for the hearing for Glenn to revoke his deferred prosecution for his Bellevue case. And as we suspected, he was going to be failure to appear at one of the cases. So he's up in Everett, where Sharon is. So she'll be covering that. And his case here in Bellevue got reset for another date. We don't know the date yet, but we should have that information from the clerk later today or tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.
So the clerk told Wombat that the case was going to be rescheduled. And instead, I received this document that is a motion in order to dismiss the case. So the case out of Bellevue has also been dismissed. And this was the revocation for his 12-month deferred prosecution for his obstruction of justice charge out of Bellevue for the riots when he was pepper sprayed. So that case is completed. Glenn is done in the city, or in King County. And I guess that's all a result of this 2-year prosecution agreement he signed out of Everett District Court. So the case in Everett Municipal Court, the 2 trespassing cases were dismissed, and the obstruction of justice out of Bellevue, that case was also dismissed. But Glenn is now on a 2-year deferred prosecution, a 2-year probation out of the city of Everett again. So basically he has to behave himself for the next 2 years, which I guess that's not a bad thing. If Auditing the USA doesn't make any more videos, then that is a win for the state of Washington. That's a win for the city of Everett. So even, I mean, we all would have liked to have seen him punished for his crimes, but if he doesn't receive a punishment and he stops auditing, I think that's a good thing. So this is the agreement that he signed that says he has to behave himself for the next 2 years. He didn't make it the 6 months. He violated after 5 months. So we may see Glenn again sooner than we think. And the last thing I wanted to point out was this Facebook page, Fabian Santos, that was posting Glenn's videos. And a couple weeks ago on March 23rd or March 24th, I asked Glenn about who Fabian was and if he knew Fabian was posting his videos. And of course, Glenn wouldn't answer me. But I did notice that March 23rd was the last time Fabian or Glenn posted any videos to this Facebook page. So if this is the end, or so I guess we have to watch to see if Glenn's videos pop up anywhere else. But if this is the last Glenn video that I make, I am happy with that. I'm satisfied. I want to thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I want to thank Combat Wombat for all his help and support, and Touche and John and Braxton and Eric and everybody that showed up to court to support me, and all the channels that have supported me. I appreciate it, all the donations that I've received to help support my channel. I appreciate you all. And if I don't make another Glenn video, that's a good thing. If this is the last of Auditing the USA, then I am happy with that. I do have some of Glenn's documents from some of his other cases that I might post just because they're an interesting read. But other than that, I will say thank you and goodbye. And thank goodness no more Auditing the USA.